southern part of Cebu, and today we'll be taking you to another adventure, and that's gonna be chasing waterfalls. We'll be going to 5 waterfalls out of 8 for safety reasons because those other 3 are not yet developed. And we'll be going to Aguinid, to Dao, to Binayagan, to Inabacan, and to Bahay Saway. So we're gonna start. It's gonna be an energy consuming day because you'll have to walk and climb and go through the waters, and the best way to go around these waterfalls is through a motorbike, going from one area to another area. And it's gonna be fun because it's completely different and you will see the entire view, and it's very different and you will not be getting tired at all. You can play around too, like what I do. I'm swinging around while at Binayagan, and it's really fun here. This is Inambakan Waterfall, and the scene behind me is very beautiful and not crowded, so quiet. So if you want to enjoy nature and feel what nature is very like, it's really perfect for you. You have to go some more steps to get to the actual waterfall. Reach here is to walk like a 30-minute, going here 30-minute and going back to the highway is a 30-minute walk. Along the way you'll have to go to the rivers and the forest and the trees, but it's all worth it, and swim and enjoy. this is Aginid, and it would be a 5-layer waterfall. So this is the first layer, and we'll be going to the second, the third, to the fourth, and to the fifth. And soon it will be 8 because they are fixing or making way to go through to the 8th level, which is at the very top. The 5th level of the Aginid, and I'm playing around, and it's very nice to stay there with the waters because it's like a massage, and I'm enjoying here. So have your adventure booked through www.philippinebudgettravel.com. We'll take care of you, we'll arrange your trip, and that's gonna be very exciting. It would be according to your need and to your schedules. See you!